Hi, I am Crystal with Moonkin Stitchery, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make my Zen Boardwalk quilt pattern. The size I will create is a throw size quilt measuring at 56 inches by 60 inches. The pattern is available as a free PDF in multiple quilt sizes. The link will be down below in the video's description. And the fabrics I will be using today are Soar by Katerina Rossello from Art Gallery Fabrics. And let's get started. You will need 42 2.5-inch strips. Art Gallery fabric rolls are only a 40 count, so I went ahead and cut 2 more strips from my backing fabric. With each 2.5-inch strip, subcut 2 2.5-inch by 4.5-inch rectangles and 2 2.5-inch by 16.5-inch rectangles. Depending on the manufacturer your 2.5-inch strips are from, if you can cut 2 pieces that are longer than 16.5 inches, then go ahead and do it. You will yield a slightly larger quilt, but this would make it become a 100% zero waste quilt project. My pattern is written though at 16.5 inches since some manufacturers have that larger salvage. Now to create our quilt block in mixed prints, select 2 2.5-inch by 4.5-inch rectangles and 2 2.5-inch by 16.5-inch rectangles. Sew the 2 2.5-inch by 16.5-inch rectangles together on the longest side, and lastly sew the 2 2.5-inch by 4.5-inch rectangles to the right and left side to complete a 4.5-inch by 20.5-inch rectangle. And all you have to do is repeat this until you have a total of 42 quilt blocks. Now it's time to lay your quilt out. In a 14 by 3 block layout, place the blocks vertically and carefully sew the blocks together and press when you iron. Do not push press with your iron, as you might end up bowing your quilt top out. Working with jelly rolls, this is something you kind of have to be more aware of with your ironing methods. Then as always, you will then sew all those blocks together to form rows, and then lastly sew the rows together to complete the quilt top. Here's what my quilt top looks like all completed. For the backing, I am using a coordinating print from within the collection, and for the thread choice, I selected glide threads in the color Seafoam Green. For my longarm quilters, the pattern I used is called Deb's Feather Flowers, which I will link down below in the video's description. Now don't forget, a free PDF pattern is available in 5 quilt sizes: baby, throw, twin, queen, and king. And I do hope you have enjoyed today's tutorial. If you could please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified for your next amazing quilt project.